Hello guys, as usual, each time I make some announcement and some news for you guys. Now, one of the news I'm trying to give 70% of the discount for all subscribers in YouTube and for those who want to begin their training. Now, there is another thing which is my live trade. So all the people who follow me are following me for my trade that we began I started on the 1st of May 2017. I'm still now in. So the stock goes from $13 to $22, and it's very easy for you to understand that even if you have small account, you can make like these trades. Okay, so $13 it goes to $22. Okay, $9 profit. I didn't said yet because I expect that the stock will go up more and more. Okay, so I will not sell until I see that the stock is not giving any money. So, but understand that you also, if you find a stock like this, when you use my search, okay, $13, even if you have small account, you can buy 200 shares, 500 shares, 700 shares, okay? But it doesn't mean that you should buy always stocks that are 13. You can buy smaller, $5, $6, $7, $4, $8, $9, okay, whatever stocks that that you can handle, because you don't have money. But for those who have bigger account, you can buy whatever stock. But some stocks that are small, they have high profits. Why? Because they move faster than bigger stocks. Okay, if the stock is $100, you buy 100 shares and it goes $5 or $7, okay, you will get this $500 or $700 if you buy 100 shares. Okay, let's say the stock goes from 100, let's say, to 110. You are staying like 1 month or 2 months, and the stock from 100 goes to 110. You make let's say $1,000 profit. But if you buy a stock that it is, let's say it's $10, and you buy, let's say, 500 shares or 1,000 shares or more or less, understand that you will be making more money than the bigger stocks. That's why smaller stocks have bigger risk, but they have higher reward. Okay, if you like to trade smaller stocks, and or you have just a small account, you can't do bigger stocks, it's a good way. Okay, so as I told you, and this is the second thing. The third thing, understand that news are very important, although I don't use news, okay, in my trading, because I don't follow stocks what they say, analysts what they say, or companies what they say. Okay, I don't follow these guys. But the news that can affect your stocks, it is how do you prepare to them. Okay, because sometimes news comes like this. It comes at night. You bought a stock, and some bad news comes to the stock, company having problems or anything else. Another thing that I want to tell you right now, and to be careful, because this is my news, is my announcement, is that we have international crisis. USA has an international crisis with Venezuela and with North Korea. There may be a war. If there is a war, the news of the war will make the stock market go down, just in normal ways. So what do you do? Okay, first, what do you do is always protect your stocks with stop loss. This is always. Whenever you buy a stock, since we like swing traders, according to my strategies, I buy the stock before the close. Let's say 330, 345, and then whenever I just bought the stock, I put stop loss. Stop loss is just protection for all your money from bigger losses. Okay, and don't trust the market. The market can do whatever at any time. So don't say this stock has never gone under this support. Okay, this stock has never gone to that price. I don't believe. Okay, but one day you will believe it when you see the price, but it will be over. Okay, if you buy a stock at $20 and there is like a big bad news for this company, or national news or international news, understand that you will have a big loss, because the other people, when they see the bad news, they go and short the stock, and then you lose a lot of money. The market will do what it does, okay? Because the market, some people buy, some people sell, whatever happens in the market. So be careful of any bad news in the market, especially international news. I'm telling you, okay? There are a lot of rumors of wars between USA and North Korea, or between USA and Venezuela, and other problems in the world. So this will affect the market, okay? Bad or good, it will affect the market. Another thing is that you can check training level 18, how to short the whole market. Now, when there is a problem in the market and you see some industries or sectors, or even you see, for example, Dow Jones or others, there is a problem, they are going down because of the news, you can short those indexes and those sectors and those industries, okay? But you don't short sell stocks, you short the indexes, okay? And this is what I show in training level 18. You go to my website, which is in the description, and check it. Just get to know what's going on and how will you do it. You can even make a list of indexes, put them in your chart, and then follow them. When there is a problem and things begin to go down, you will be ready to buy these ETFs, and then if the indexes are going down for long, for 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, or 1 year, you will be making a lot of money, but without selling short. Okay, this is just shorting an index. It's not selling short like you need, for example, you don't need margin account. Even if you have a cash account, you can do that. Okay, when the index is going down, your stock is going up, your ETF is going up, and you will be making money. So this is a funny way to make money without really selling short. So please check a training level 18. If you like it, you just get this training and begin from now making your indexes. For me, I have indexes for years. I put the indexes and I follow them. Okay, now for those who want for example, to check which indexes are going up or going down, and what are the means in order to know what are the techniques, you can check training level 2, training level 3, which is how to search for stocks using an industry index. This training shows you how to check if the industry is going up or is going down, and what are the criteria that you should see. Okay, this is it's not when the industry is going down for 6 months or 1 year and then you see it. This you'll find it in the news, but what I'm talking about, you don't find it in the news. Okay, even if it comes in the news, there are thousands of news. You will never know. You will never know if you buy or sell or whatever. Okay, so the most important thing in what we do is try to be aware of the market in general, but we are not following news, because when the news comes, it is there in the price. Okay, before even the market opens, you will find that your stocks have been going down so far. If you put stop loss, you will exit. If you don't put stop loss, you will have big losses, and this will be a big problem, especially for the investors. When there are bad news, when there is like a industry rotation, this is what will happen to investors, because the investors, they can just sell very quick. Okay, he needs time to think about his investment and when to sell and when not. Try to remember what did when I made videos about energy sector 2 years ago. What did I say? Okay, if you hold a good stock, it was going good for 6 months or 1 year, and you hold it and you make money from it, but one time this industry or this sector stops going up, and it's going down for a long downtrend. So all your money that you have as a profit, a very big money, and then you lose it all because you don't know when to exit. And these all are techniques you should learn. Okay, this doesn't come, you don't find these techniques online or in books. You buy a book of $20 and you think that he will give you a strategy, what to do here and there. No, they will not give you. They give you ideas, and these ideas you find it online without reading the books. Okay, you find it online, and you can go just online and read or see videos or read books or go to the library. You can find some information, but they are not exact information. Okay, and they are not techniques. And most of the people, they use indicators. Each indicator is a strategy by itself. If you don't understand how it works, okay, and why you buy here, why you sell here, as someone told me, okay, 2 lines that are coming, and when they cross, buy, when they cross, sell. This is stupid. Okay, if you follow these strategies, because these lines, if there is a sell-off, they will cross again, and you will lose a lot of money. Okay, so try to be careful. This is what I tell you. We are in September, okay, and things, international news could come at any time, or national news. Especially for me, I am not forecasting something. Understand that I don't believe in predicting things. I don't predict anything, but I am prepared when there is something. I am prepared. Okay, if the whole market or the most industries are going down, I will do like everybody else. I will short the whole index, a sector or industry, or a big index like Dow Jones or S&P 500 or Russell 2000, or whatever index that you like, and I will just short it. Okay, if it continues, I will be making money while the investors are crying, because investors, they have their money in many stocks, and when the market is going down, they bear the consequences of the market, because they don't just sell everything. Okay, investors, most of them, they don't sell. Okay, think about what did happen in 2008. Where the financial sector and most of the sectors, they go down. What will happen in the market? Okay, most of the stocks lost 50% in that year, 2008, 2009. Okay, because the investors, they say no, just to stay. Although the market, after a few years, they go up again, but if you need your money, or you have a problem and you need your money from the market, you have some problems, or you need your money, and you will see that you lost a lot of money. That's why we do swing trading. We don't care about the trend direction. It goes up or it goes down. We can make money either the trend is going up or the trend is going down. We try and we can make money. This is the good thing. Okay, so hope you get some announcement and some news. And what did they say? You just try to be prepared. Always check your stocks with stop loss. Don't leave stocks like this, because one day you will understand this. Because some people, they are stubborn, they don't understand, and one day when they lose a lot, they will understand. There is a funny story. One of my students sent me an email and he was very happy, and he said, "Oh, I lost some money today, but I am very happy." So I say to him, what's the catch? Why you are so happy and you tell me that you lost money? He told me that he uses the stop loss, okay, when he get my training level 6, how to calculate stop loss. And then this stock was having a sell-off. It means maybe mutual fund, he did a sell-off, so there are millions of shares sold, so the stock has gone too much. Since he in the morning, okay, he exit early, he loses little money. But if he didn't, he will lose a lot of money. Let's say you lose 100 for small loss or little loss, and then if you don't, you lose 700 or $1,000 from your money. You have 3,000, 4,000, and you lose 1,000. This is a big loss. Big losses are for beginners. If you are a beginner and you don't take care of your business, the market will take all your money, because you don't protect yourself. How can you protect yourself? You are at your job, you are working, okay? You don't know what will happen in the market. So stop loss is just, okay, the stock is going down, I don't want to stay. I don't want the stock, the market, to take a lot of money that I can't allow. So that's why we use a stop loss. Just protection, okay? Just protection for your stock, okay? So thank you very much. Please, every one of you, if you have an immediate concern or question, please use my email. Okay, don't comment. If you comment here and you ask me a question, it will be very hard to go to comments. I get a lot of comments, and I have a lot of videos. So try always to send me an email. It is in the description below. Just send me an email and ask whatever. Okay, thank you very much. And don't forget the 70% discount for these days until the weekend. And have a nice day. Thank you very much for watching.